Hello there. What I'm going to talk about is an issue that I had trying to get the free subscription running on Stripe. It was a real pain, and I'd set it up and it wouldn't work. Uh, and so I had to play around. I tried to find a video about it, couldn't find anything. The only information I could find on Stripe was the API guide, which wasn't any good to me. I didn't want to go um, writing code and stuff. So I figured out how to do it, so I'll show you here. Now, I've already done it on this one, so we'll go to an old one. This is an old, the March 23 intake. So we'll go to this one here. Now, one would assume that you go to edit product. This is what I figured. And then it might be under additional options. No, it's not there. Okay. So and then I figured, well, why don't I just go and edit this? And so I have a look down here, and you bring up additional options, and then you can see the add a free trial. Now you can add it in here, and it won't work. The problem is that this is legacy, and so what's going to happen is you'll set it all up, and because it's no longer supported, I set this up, and then I had two people come through and pay instantly, so obviously not working. So I had to try and figure out what to do, and there is actually an easy way of doing this. So, but you don't go through the actual subscription. You go through up here, and you create a payment link. Now, when you create the payment link, then you go and look for your product. So we'll find that. Here we go. There's a $5 a month product, and I'll put myself over here. And you can see here it says include a free trial. So we'll include a free trial of 7 days. And there you go. You now have your payment link with a 7-day free trial. And then for me, what I do is I don't show a confirmation page. I send them over to this page, which is the page that I use for my membership. And I'll put it in here. And now basically this is all good to go. So I create a link, and there's my link that has a subscription on it. So if I go back to products now, and I go back here, and I go to the actual product, you can see here if I go view payment links on the $5 a month. Now I've got two payment links. I've got a payment link that has a 7-day trial and one that doesn't. And so that's how you set up the 7-day free trial. And that's all there is to it. Now, just before I go, if you saw the Skool site, this is the site that I run my membership on. I'll just give you a quick run through because I actually really like this site. This is your community, so this is where you post and everybody has here like general discussion, post videos, courses. This is your classroom, so this is actually where I stick all my courses. This is the calendar, so if you're doing live Zoom calls, you can actually have that in here as well. So I had a call yesterday about how to do fuel tax. This is your list of members. This gives you a leaderboard. Now, the great thing about the leaderboard is the more points they get, the more that they can access. You see these two courses here can't actually be accessed until the members get to certain levels. So it puts in a bit of gamification, and then you can have like a landing page for your membership here. So pretty cool. And I've tried a whole lot of different community sites, and this is definitely pretty amazing, and I think it's about $97 a month, so it's pretty cheap. So I'll put a link below this video, so if you want to check this out, you can go and have a look at it.